Changing security settings on your Ally Bank account is essential for protecting your personal information and finances. Follow these steps to update your security settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Ally Bank website or open a mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. Look for an option labeled security settings or privacy settings to access your security preferences. Step 3. Update password. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code sent to your phone or email when logging in. Step 5. Review account activity. Check your recent account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Ally Bank immediately. Regularly reviewing your account helps ensure your security settings are effective. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Ally Bank account and protect your financial information. Regularly revisiting your security settings is a good practice to maintain your account's safety.